We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing an extreme cold warning, now in effect until 9 o'clock Tuesday morning. Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 11 below zero are likely overnight tonight and through Sunday night, possibly even into Monday night, on top of 1 to 3 inches of mixed precipitation, followed by another 2 to 3 inches of snow. This extreme cold warning is in effect until 9 o'clock Tuesday morning. Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 11 below zero could cause frostbite to exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Any human and any pet left outside for any length of time, their lives will be in danger. Dress in layers, including a hat, face mask, gloves if you must go outside. Otherwise, stay inside and stay safe. Once again, an extreme cold warning is now in effect from 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. Tuesday for dangerously cold temperatures and wind chills as low as 11 below zero. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.